Hello everybody, KC from Dock, BC. We're back at the French Creek Marina. We're over by the French Creek Seafood Store. This is where they sell fish and where they process fish coming off the big boats. Today they're offloading another big load of hakefish. Hakefish are very small codfish, and they're used for fish sticks and the good old nuggets. You can also take the fresh fillets and fry them in butter, and they're pretty tasty fish. These two old big sealions, they like hanging out here, catching all the scraps that the crew's dumping over the side. It gets to be pretty competitive though. You get a bunch of seagulls and a couple old grumpy sea lions, and every once in a while things flare up and a little bit of scrapping going on. It gets pretty crazy around here. Well, looks like the crew's all finished packing up those totes, and now they're spraying down the conveyor belt and getting ready to finish up the day. Well, everybody, thanks for watching my video, and come back and watch another one. Have a great day. Hey guys, hey, thanks for coming to Dock BC and watching the video, eh? I hope you come back and watch another one. We'll see you later, eh?